Hi everyone, my name is Mike Brown and welcome to my course Design and Implementing AWS Networks. I'm a senior cloud instructor at Firebrand Training in the UK, specialising in Amazon Web Services. AWS is one of the biggest providers of cloud services today. Most AWS projects involve networking, so a good understanding of Amazon VPCs is a must for cloud professionals. In this course, we're going to take a detailed look at Amazon VPC design and implementation. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include VPC implementation, VPC automation, VPC security. We'll be taking a look at highly available VPC designs, and we'll be looking at troubleshooting VPC implementations. By the end of this course, you'll have the detailed knowledge of AWS VPCs that will make you a valuable member of any AWS VPC design and implementation team. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic VPC implementations. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into AWS networking topics with courses on designing hybrid networks in AWS, securing AWS networks, and integrating AWS networks with application services. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn AWS VPC design implementation with the Design and Implementing AWS Networks course at Pluralsight.